Your Genesis comes equipped with a number of convenience and assistance systems, all of which can be customized through the center infotainment screen. By selecting EV from the home screen menu, a variety of information relating to the vehicle's EV system can be seen. The main EV screen displays vital information such as energy information, charging and climate, vehicle to load, EV settings, and menu options. Energy information can be accessed by selecting EV, then the vehicle image on the screen. Information such as the battery energy consumption can be seen here, as well as vehicle range, total power remaining, and expected charging times. Departure helps you set a scheduled charging time and preset climate control temperature for your next departure time. Access this by selecting EV, then Next Departure on the EV mode screen. Charging and climate allows the driver to set a specific time to begin charging the battery and to pre-cool or preheat the cabin during charging to maximize battery range. Access this by selecting EV, then Charging and Climate on the EV mode screen. Off-peak time settings enables the charging to take place only during designated hours that are considered off-peak. The target temperature can also be programmed independently. When the temperature is set while the charging cable is connected, the intended cabin temperature will be ready by the time you depart with the vehicle. Please keep in mind that the vehicle will start adjusting the cabin temperature approximately 30 minutes before departure. Vehicle to Load, or V2L, is a system that provides AC power to outside electrical products such as small electronics and home appliances. To enable V2L, start by selecting EV, then EV Charge Transfer. Here you can set the limit on how much high-voltage battery power to be used. General EV settings, such as the max charge percentage, charging current, utility mode, and charger lock settings, can be set by pressing Setup and then EV. The target battery charge level can be set in 10% increments on the charging limit, max percentage charge screen. When using an AC charger, the charging current can be adjusted at the charging current screen. Battery conditioning mode is recommended to be enabled in colder climate areas where it helps increase the temperature of the high-voltage battery. Battery conditioning mode improves driving and DC charging efficiencies by raising the battery temps to an adequate level. Note that the battery conditioning mode may decrease the driving range of your vehicle since it uses extra energy to heat the battery up. Utility mode allows the use of power for long hours by utilizing the high-voltage battery instead of the 12-volt auxiliary. By utilizing the high-voltage battery instead of the 12-volt auxiliary. This feature is designed for when the vehicle is parked and stationary, such as at a camping site. Features such as the lights, radio, air conditioning, and heater can be left on without having to worry about draining the battery. Utility mode can be activated when the vehicle is on in the ready mode and the vehicle is in park. To activate, press Setup, then EV, and then Utility mode on the infotainment screen. The system is activated when the ready indicator turns off and the util indicator turns on. This system can only be turned off by pressing the Start/Stop button to the off position. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.